So Royal Enfield launched a new Meteor 350 2025 and people have a lot of questions before buying it. So let's answer each of them. Which one to choose? Stellar, Aurora or Supernova? It mostly about looks and budget. Yes, there are a little bit changes and little bit accessories are more in Aurora and Supernova. But at the end of the day, it mostly about looks. There is no difference in performance. They all have a same engine, same tuning, everything. Aurora and Supernova have a chrome exhaust and Aurora comes with metal brushed engine. So just pick what you like the most and depends on your budget. And the second most common question is alloy wheels or spoke wheels. Which one to pick? In theory, spoke wheels absorbs more vibration. So they are smoother on roads compared to alloy wheels, but still you can't feel that much difference while riding. Alloy wheels comes with tubeless tires which are easier and faster to repair compared to spoke wheels tube tires. Now the debate between tubeless tires and tube tires. Again, as I said, tubeless tires are easy to repair. What if you're a person like me who likes the look of spoke wheels but wants the confidence of having tubeless tires? For daily commutes, don't worry about your tube tires. The probability of your tire getting punctured is very, very less. Even if you get punctured, you can easily repair that in your city. For longer rides, a lot of people have done 15 days plus long rides with tube tires without any hassle. My cousin has a Himalayan 411. He covered 5,000 kilometers in 15 days without any problem. So don't overthink. If you think that you're gonna get a puncture, you will. Still, you're nervous about tube tires? You have two options. First one is tube to tubeless kit from Motul. Go to YouTube. You can check a lot of videos on how to use it, where to buy it. Use it before you go to long trips. Job done. The second option is aftermarket tubeless conversion. Do proper research, do it properly, and you're good to go. And the third most common question is Honda Highness versus Meteor 350. Which one is good? Which one to pick? I test rode the Honda Highness before buying this bike and I didn't like it. I have a couple of reasons for that. And recently, again, I did the test ride 1 week back, thinking that maybe I misjudged the bike. But honestly, I'm gonna stick to my initial impressions. It is still not for me. Gear shifting shaft felt completely odd. The footrest stays much lower compared to the shaft. So your foot gonna float on the shaft and your foot don't rest on the footrest, which is very, very uncomfortable for me. Acceleration wasn't exciting and I didn't like the sound of exhaust. But we should talk about the positives that the seating position is very comfortable and the reliable brand name. But these days, technology has improved a lot. So most of the bikes are reliable. Test ride both of them. Pick what you like the most. Don't compromise anything just for the sake of reliability. Is Meteor heavy? It's 197 kg. I used to ride my Activa, which is just 110 kgs. The first week of getting this bike, I felt a little bit tough to move it and manage it, but now it is super easy to handle. Don't worry, you'll get used to it. The 2025 Meteor comes with a slipper clutch. Is it helpful or not? Slipper clutch definitely helps with the smoother gear shifts, but even without it, you can manage it with the proper skills by listening to your engine, by learning how to do the gear shifts according to your RPM and speed. You can get better with it. Yes, definitely, it is better to have a slipper clutch, but it is not a big deal if you don't have it. Is Meteor small for a 6 feet guy? I am a 6 feet guy and there are no issues at all. You will feel comfortable even if you're a 6 feet guy. So don't worry at all. Which helmet suits better for the Meteor 350 in terms of looks? So this is completely subjective, but I'm gonna tell my opinion. But I bought this SMK Retro. Uh, Again, I really like the look of it. This is completely subjective. If you like it, you can buy it. There is similar helmet in Royal Enfield, which is called NH44. It has more color options. So go check both Royal Enfield NH44 and SMK Retro and buy the one you like the most. Honestly, a lot of people ask me about this helmet when I go outside, when I go on a ride. Where did you get this helmet? I got a lot of compliments, so you can try. So bottom line, Meteor is a fantastic bike. You will love it. Go pick the one that you like the most in terms of looks. Test ride all of them and don't overthink the little things. So that's it for the video. So if you have any other question, drop down in the comments. I would love to answer them. In the next video, I'm gonna talk about my riding gear. I'm going for a long ride, which is 2,400 kilometers in November. I am buying my riding gear for that. So I'm gonna talk about that more in next video, and I'll tell you how to pick a proper riding gear according to the purpose of riding. So see you soon in the next video.